So the first step of our craft is little difficult, but it's okay. I will tell you how to do it. So the measurements are on the screen. Please, you need a thick paper for this craft. Now add glue on the sides and stick that to make a form like box. Now you need napkin. You can also use tissue paper, but that can tear off, so it is better to use napkin. Now draw hearts all over it. Now arrange your napkin like a wrapper around your box. Also use rubber band or thread to secure the sides. Now moving towards the interesting but also time consuming, which is flower making. Just see the process which I am doing in the video. All the measurement will be shown on the screen. So I have made around 12 flowers. After arranging all the flowers, our craft is ready. So subscribe for more such videos.